don't know why I am like this, but the moment there are three or more people around me, I just stop functioning. I can talk. I know I can talk. Okay, if you put me in a room with the person whom I am comfortable with, suddenly I have thousand stories to tell, thousand opinions to share, and absolutely there is literally no way that I am going to stop. But put me in a group, and the moment someone asks me, "What do you think about this topic?" and my brain goes, "Thank you for asking me, but unfortunately, I have nothing to say at this moment." And I just sit আৰু মই চবৰে কথা শুনিব ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰোঁ and then I react, you are right. ইফালে মোৰ ব্ৰেইনত হাজাৰটা অপিনিয়ন চলিছে যে এইটো নাই, এইটো you are wrong, মেবি এইটো এনেকে হ'ব লাগিছিলে, মেবি এইটো এনেকে হ'ব লাগিছিলে, বাট মোৰ হিম্মত নাই যে মই কিবা মোৰ নিজৰ অপিনিয়ন সেই মানুহজনৰ আগত মই